Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in. Now go straight to YouTube Studio so you can change the visible channel name. Once there, click Customize and switch to the Basic Info tab. You need channel ownership or manager access. If you don't have it, ask the owner to grant permissions. Make sure you know whether the channel uses a brand account versus your Google account name, because that determines where the change is saved and who sees the update. Start typing the new name in the channel name field. Once you've entered a new name, review the handle and optional channel description to keep branding consistent. You can change the handle separately. Handles are unique, so pick one available. If the channel is a brand account, make sure you edit via the brand account settings, because changing your Google profile won't update the channel name. After editing, double-check capitalization, spacing, and length. YouTube enforces limits. When everything looks right, prepare to save and publish the update, click Publish to apply the new name. YouTube may take minutes to a few hours to update across all views. Once done, check your channel page on desktop and mobile to confirm the change. If the name didn't update, make sure you edited the correct account type, brand account versus your Google profile. If YouTube blocks the change because you edited recently, the key fix is patience. Wait up to 90 days or use a brand account owner to make the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.